I'm Gary with Gary's Wine and Marketplace, here saying rosé all day, every day.
365 days a year.
With Brooke. I didn't introduce her, can't go that way. Brooke, look at all these different rosés. Tell me, why do we have so many different rosés?
Rosés can literally be made anywhere, everywhere. It's made with so many different grape varieties all over the world.
You keep pouring.
Perfect. So we're actually going to start in Provence. Provence is really where rosé started to make a big splash in the late 1800s. People were vacationing there, 300 days of sunshine. Why wouldn't you start vacationing there? But it was actually the Greeks that brought the wine to this area. They basically pressed
the Greeks. We have the Greeks to thank for wine too.
Exactly. So what they did is they pressed the white and the red grapes together, and thus they created a wine of a slightly pink orange hue. So mainly here we're talking about Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre, so a blend of different grape varieties. So these come from Provence. This also comes from Provence, but yet it's a 2016.
2016? Isn't that too old for rosé?
No. Incredible rosés can age impeccably well. They're incredibly food friendly. Speaking of food friendly, Tavel. Tavel is really well known for its food friendly rosés, made mainly of Grenache, Syrah, Cinsault, etc. It's a little bit darker in color, but don't let it fool you.
Côte de Rhône rosé?
Again, Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre, even Corsica.
Where's Corsica?
Off the coast of France.
Oh, right.
It's actually closer to Italy than it is to France, yet it's under French rule. So this is Sacaralu, so a nerdy grape variety. So Sancerre, so we're speaking of Pinot Noir here. Austria, Zweigelt, Nerello Mascalese, delicious.
I can't even pronounce
Just
these.
move over.
I just thought it was rosé.
So this has a slight spritz.
She's going to hurt me.
I am going to hurt you. So from Vino Verde, then we go into Rioja, so Tempranillo. We have, let's see, what else do we have? La Crema, Monterey, so
dry
style rosé coming from California. A great rosé.
Greetings. I'm trying to help out
from
here.
Oregon. And then last but not least, the Welfare Estate Rosé.
Long Island?
Long Island. Actually, in 2014, the Hamptons ran out of rosé.
Oh, was there a catastrophe?
No,
what
a catastrophe of empty bottles.
Oh my God, that's a problem. And I just wanted, I've been drinking this while you've been working. It's a rosé in a can. Lorenza, it's a spritz, so it's got a little bit of effervescence. I drank it out of the can. We can drink it out of the glass. It's delicious. Rosé every day,
large
all
formats.
day. All night.
Because wouldn't you rather enjoying rosé and not be
right,
thirsty?
so if I have one friend over, I'll do this. If I have two friends over, I'll do this. Ow! I'm Gary with the Gary's Wine and Marketplace saying it's sunny.